Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we are learning how to check video card memory in Windows 11 laptops. So it is very simple. I'm using Dell Precision 7740. So the functions are normal and click on your start menu, then search about task. Then you will get this search result and task manager application shortcut. Click on that, then you will get the task manager window. From the left side you can see there is multiple tabs like process and performance. Click on performance, then you can see CPU, memory, disk, GP0, GP1. GP0 means internal memory, internal graphics support. I have UHD, Intel UHD graphics 630, and GP1 is my NVIDIA Quadro RTX 5000. So you can see here dedicated GPU memory is 16 GB. So in my case, I have 16 GB dedicated memory on my video card. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial or PC or Mac tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replace as video so I can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.